Gruezi mitenand. For tonight's dinner, Schlarraffenland will show you how to make vegan stir-fry noodles. We agree with Uncle Roger that vegetables taste like sad. So tonight we're on a mission to make them taste delicious with our flavorful and umami recipe for vegan stir-fry. Our noodle is not only going to be healthy and vegan, but it's also going to be very simple and convenient to make. You think a dish can only either be vegan or yummy? Well, let's roll into the kitchen and we're going to prove you wrong. First, take out your trusted cutting board and knife and cut 300 grams of firm tofu into bite-sized cubes. Next, peel and cut 1 carrot into thin strips. You will also do the same with half a white radish, half an onion, half a Chinese cabbage, and 1 bell pepper. Just cut them all into any shape your artistic heart desires. We recommend long strips because it would be consistent with the shape of noodle strings, and so it helps keeping everything on theme, you know. Next is to slice 4 big mushrooms into thin slices. Last step of the prep work is to mince 1 shallot and 3 cloves of garlic. Once done, you can put your cutting board away as we move on to making the noodles vegan sauce now. For the sauce, mix together 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, half a cup of water, and lots of pepper. Stir ferociously to release all the pent-up emotions and also to dissolve the sugar and salt. Once all the emotions are released, you can achieve the inner peace and the sugar has all dissolved. You can set your sauce aside and prepare the noodles. Cook your noodles according to its package instructions. You can use any noodle of your choice. We recommend rice noodles or glass noodles, like the Korean one we use here. After the noodles are cooked, strain them, rinse with cold water, and mix it with a bit of sesame oil so the noodle won't stick. Now, it's time to bring out bake pan and fire it up nicely with some oil. On high heat, drop your tofu in and fry it until it turns golden. Then, take it out and set it aside. In the same pan, heat up 1 tablespoon of oil on high heat to saute half a minced shallot and 3 minced cloves of garlic for 1 to 2 minutes until fragrance. Then, lower the heat. Add half of the sauce you prepared earlier and stir well. Add 1/3 of a cup of cold water, then add your noodles into the pan. Stir fry the noodles with the sauce for 2 to 3 minutes until the sauce coats the noodle evenly. Remove the noodles from the pan and let it rest. Again, in the very same pan, saute the other half of the shallot and the onion for about 2 minutes. Then you can add the carrot, radish, and bell pepper in to stir fry for about 4 to 5 minutes. These veggies go in first because they need more time to cook. Then add the mushrooms. Let them cook for a minute or 2. Then it's time to add the final, quickest cooking veggie, the cabbage. Here, you can also pour in the rest of the sauce. Stir fry on high heat until everything is just cooked. Lower the heat and add the fried tofu. Mix everything well. Finally, add the stir-fry noodles back in and again mix everything well together. And voila, there you have it, your own vegan noodles that make you feel so healthily adult-like, environmentally friendly, and peacefully Buddhist. Feel whatever you like, but don't forget to taste your food first. Yummy, isn't it? Not sad like a bowl of cold salad at your grocery store, right? And now you can feel your soul has truly achieved oneness with your tummy, and the whole of you is bathed in flavor of nirvana. And if you want to stay in that gustatory bliss, then please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more heavenly recipes. And now, all that's left is, and with the bon appetit, itadakimasu, mời cả nhà ăn cơm. And again,